Hello and good morning. Here we want to do another example in harder factorising, suitable for years 17, 18 and above. And the problem is to factorise the following expression: a cubed bracket b squared minus c squared plus b cubed bracket c squared minus a squared plus c cubed bracket a squared minus b squared. Now, the easiest way of doing this particular problem, in my view anyway, is to write it as a determinant. So the first row being a cubed, b cubed, and c cubed, second row a squared, b squared, and c squared, and the third row 1, 1, 1. So what we do first is subtract the first column from each of the other two columns. And to give us, the first column will be a cubed, a squared, 1. The second column will be b cubed minus a cubed, b squared minus a squared, and 0. And the third column, c cubed minus a cubed, c squared minus a squared, and 0. So which quite easily comes down to the determinant, b cubed minus a cubed, c cubed minus a cubed, that's the first row, and b squared minus a squared, c squared minus a squared, second row. Well, by factorising, we can take out the factors b minus a and c minus a, and that will leave us inside the determinant with b squared plus ab plus a squared, c squared plus ca plus a squared. That's the first row, and the second row will be b plus a and c plus a. We're going to multiply the second row of the determinant by a and subtract from the first row. So that will give us the b minus a, c minus a, which you already have. And inside the determinant, on the first row will be b squared and c squared, and the second row will b plus a and c plus a. So that will be b minus a, c minus a, and multiplying out the determinant, that will be b squared c plus ab squared minus bc squared minus c squared a, which is b minus a times c minus a. And grouping terms together, we can easily get bc times b minus c plus a times b squared minus c squared. Sorry for the hesitation there. I thought I'd made a mistake. Anyway, carrying on, we have b minus a times c minus a, bracket bc plus a times b plus c, close bracket, and b minus c. I've factorized the inside of the square brackets. And that comes down to minus a plus minus bracket a minus b, bracket b minus c, bracket c minus a, and brackets ab plus bc plus ca. And that completes it. Thanks very much for listening.